Hey, it's Michelle from MBD Studio. I just wanted to share one of my favorite hidden features in Photoshop. It's a way for you to take your photos direct to video. You can take any image from Photoshop, send it directly into Firefly Video, and animate it through a simple prompt. These started out as still images, but with a little direction, I got a full video. From Photoshop, go to Share, then hit Generate Video in Firefly. From there, it opens up Firefly Video. Your image is used as a reference for the first frame in the video. You can also add a reference for the last frame. For this first example, I started with this image I generated. When sending it to video, I want to make sure the details don't get lost in the animation. First, I'd recommend using VO 3.1 Fast as your video model. It's great with people and adheres to prompts, and only costs 80 credits, even for 1080p video. I usually start with my video prompt simply and then build once I know what I'm missing. For this one, I only used a starting image, no ending frame. Sometimes describing the motion for the ending frame works better. And look at this. The reflection in the visor actually updates as he moves. For this next example, I wanted to get a transition between two images. I started with the skier and sent the image to Firefly Video, and for the second frame I uploaded it, but you can also grab it from your generation history. Then I prompted the skier to go downhill while the camera pans to reveal the full valley. For this one, it made sense to have a first and last frame for cohesiveness in the animation. Here's a quick tip. To create the last frame, use Generative Expand in Photoshop to get a seamless image. For this last one, I used a social video size. I started with this image in Photoshop. In Firefly Video, my prompt had her running, then stopping and turning toward the camera. In this one, I used only one image for the first frame. This will work really well for shorts or reels. Here's a few tips to get you started. Specify your camera movement, like angles and framing. Try it without a last frame first. Maybe describe the last frame. And keep prompts simple and visual. Now the next step is to make these look a little bit more cinematic. I'll show you exactly how with the video editor in Firefly.